Got y'all right here on the hourly. As y'all can see, we got a nice triple bottom going on right here, which is an inverted head and shoulders, which means you gotta have a quick uptrend. Believe you're gonna bounce out, get a bounce off this 100. You're gonna continue our way on up here to this blue line, which is that 21,000 range. But check this out. Like after we made a drop right here, we just tested 21,000 range 2 times already, right? Like I showed y'all. So boom, after the drop, we got another range right here, which is around 20,800. As y'all can see, you got one test here and another test here, which means this time we come up would be the third time, which means we could break through to this next range to test this one more time for the third time. Let me go a little further out. See a little better. So boom, as y'all can see, you already had this prediction right here. But the thing is, like I said, after this retracement, we got to see what's gonna happen. Because you got that one test, two tests. You see how clear it is now. Now, we'll have a third test because you can see the box of this candlestick right here around 20,800. Another test, boom. We definitely come up here and we could possibly turn around right here. But I really believe don't come up here. They have to test this range, you know what I'm saying, just to fix market structure. But it's already signaling the breakout right here because there's already two, you know what I'm saying, two tests here and two tests here also. So we could easily, you know what I'm saying, we could break through, but it's a retrace because once we break through here, we have to bounce off $21,000 back to the upside. And I believe whenever we do make this move, we could easily break out to trick everybody in the markets. And once we come down for that retracement, they're going to smash straight through this zone, that zone, and this zone. Like I said, our next zone we're looking for will probably be coming around somewhere around like 18,500. It's going to smash down pretty hard for the first drop. But around 18,500, that's when that drop to the 14,000 gonna happen. And then of course, you know, eventually through the 10,000. And like I told y'all before, the 10,000 range is extremely volatile. So I mean, I won't even play around with it. So right here on the daily, y'all see it again. One test here, two tests here. And y'all see we came down here and we actually bouncing off 20 EMA. So on the daily, we starting above the 20. So we making our way back up. Like I said, towards at least to the very least to 20,800 range. But I really believe we're going to test this 21,000 range for the third time. And then we'll get our rejection. And as you can see, we had the danger zone right here, still around 19,000. That's always been sitting right here. And the super danger zone right here, like I said, 18.5 is where that $14,000 candlestick's gonna pop up at on the daily chart. And that can happen, you know what I'm saying? Could happen within minutes. It could happen within hours. But it's definitely gonna be on that daily chart. And it's definitely going to be on this weekly chart. And as y'all can see the prediction, let me go ahead and turn this off real fast. So boom, as y'all can see, we starting right here on the weekly, still below the 20 EMA, which definitely saying that we're not going to break out of it. So anyways, as I said before, one time, two times, this is the third time we're testing it. And we have no more support. No more EMAs to play with. We're definitely dropping down here to complete this head and shoulder formation at around $10,000 like I told y'all before. And y'all can see I already have this right here. Boom. And after the 10,000, I do predict a retracement of 14,000. As y'all can see the green line. Boom. See where I got that from between these candlesticks. Resistance right here at this wick. So definitely going to retracement up to 14,000. Then we're definitely coming down here to around 5,500. Recover all these candlesticks just as it did right here to recover those candlesticks. And we should get a nice big old wick just like that. Somewhere between this 5,000 range all the way up to $10,000, which will be the wick in this scenario basically. And then eventually we'll get an uptrend. Only confirmation of an uptrend if we bounce off $14,000. A bounce off $14,000 will be confirmation of an uptrend. But until then, they could keep playing around in this general zone all the way up to down to $10,000. You know, all the way up to $14,000. That'll be a zone they could stay in forever if they wanted to. But I really doubt it. I believe they're gonna make this a quick, fast move because they're funneling money. You know what I mean? Through a lot of things right now, and they have to do that to do it fast enough so nobody can really react to it. Hit y'all on a monthly real fast so you can see we're in a larger pattern. Got the M to the dub. We're actually in a retracement. Like I said before, we have to stay above $10,000. But I'm saying they can't come down below and wick off. The monthly close has to be above $10,000. Still confirm this as a pattern. And then, you know what I mean? Like I said, after the bounce of 14,000, we're definitely going to see some quick moves up. Even before that, you know what I mean? Because I believe once we, like I said, once we get down to 5,000, I believe we could shoot all the way up to 14,000. Probably, you know what I'm saying, higher, but to the very least 14,000. But yeah. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.